Today we're making ratatouille, the classic French Provençal dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Layers of vibrant vegetables, slow cooked in a rich tomato base, create a dish that's rustic, comforting, and stunning on the table. This version serves 4 people, perfect as a main with crusty bread or as a side to grilled meat or fish. For the tomato base, you will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 yellow bell pepper diced, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, a 400-gram can of chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon of sugar, and salt and black pepper to taste. For the vegetable topping, prepare 1 medium aubergine sliced into thin rounds, 1 medium courgette sliced into thin rounds, 1 medium yellow courgette, if available, sliced into thin rounds, 2 medium tomatoes sliced into thin rounds, and 1 red bell pepper sliced into thin rings. For garnish, you'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil for drizzling, a handful of fresh basil leaves, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Start by making the tomato base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook gently for 5 minutes until softened and translucent. Stir in the garlic and let it release its aroma. Add the diced red and yellow peppers and cook for another 5 minutes until softened. Now add the fresh chopped tomatoes, canned tomatoes, and tomato puree. Season with thyme, oregano, sugar, salt, and black pepper. Let the sauce simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until thick and rich. Blend with a hand blender if you prefer a smoother base. Spread this sauce evenly in the bottom of a round oven-proof dish. Next, prepare the vegetables. Slice the aubergine, courgettes, and tomatoes into thin, even rounds, about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. If you have a mandolin, use it for consistency. Slice the red bell pepper into thin rings. Now layer the ratatouille. Arrange the sliced vegetables in a circular pattern over the tomato base. Alternate aubergine, courgette, tomato, and pepper slices. Overlap them slightly to create a spiral effect. Continue until the dish is filled and the vegetables are neatly layered. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil evenly over the arranged vegetables. Sprinkle with salt and pepper and scatter a few fresh thyme sprigs across the top. Cover the dish with foil. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes covered. Then remove the foil and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes until the vegetables are tender and slightly caramelized on top. Remove from the oven and let the ratatouille cool slightly so the flavors settle. Garnish with fresh basil leaves. Serve warm, either as a main with crusty bread or alongside roasted meats or fish. And that's it! Classic ratatouille for 4 people. A dish that's hearty, healthy, and bursting with Mediterranean flavor. If you've only ever seen ratatouille in the film, it's time to try the real thing at home. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!